am motivated.
I am creative.
I am a visionary.
I am a social worker.
I am an academic director.
I am a marketing coordinator.
I am a behavior therapist.
I joined the Young Professionals to meet like-minded individuals because I wanted to make a contribution in my community.
Because this is the best organization for young professionals.
I am empowered.
I am empowered.
My name is Jamar T. Ward, and I am the president of the New York Urban League Young Professionals. The New York Urban League Young Professionals is designed as an empowerment forum for individuals 21 to 40. Some of our signature events are the State of Young Black New York, where we engage in interesting topics related to young professionals living in New York City. We have our major gala fundraiser, Rebirth, where we raise money for scholarships for the New York Urban League. We help the New York Urban League with their HBCU College Fair. We also do an annual health fair in communities with various testings and screenings. We also help with the New York Urban League's Football Classic with 2 HBCUs playing a football game to raise money for scholarships.
We are the New York Urban League Young Professionals.
Are you in your league?